This is Dr. Matt Zanis, physical therapist with Causenta Wellness, and today's movement demo is all about the ankle march exercise. This exercise is great because it not only develops range of motion in the ankle joint, but helps improve strength and stability through the foot, which is going to help with your balance. So we're going to have Bryce standing with his toes forward and his feet directly underneath his hips. He is going to then drive his knees as far forward out over his toes as he can until he feels either a little bit of a block in the front of the ankle or a big stretch through the back of the calf here. Once he gets into this position, he's going to start by alternating back and forth through each foot, driving through the big toe knuckle one at a time. So Bryce is going to come up onto that left big toe knuckle, driving that heel as high into the ceiling as he can, and then slowly lower it back down under control. He's then going to switch to the opposite foot, driving through that right big toe knuckle heel as high as he can, slowly lowering it back down. Now the trick here is actually keeping this knee over toe position, what we call dorsiflexion. When he drives up through that big left toe knuckle, that knee is going to have a tendency to pull back, so you got to keep pushing that knee forward. Bryce is going to move back and forth, alternating until he gets 10 repetitions per side, until he starts to get some burning in the front and the back of the calf. And once he gets 10 repetitions on side, we're going to move on to our next exercise.